Hello guys, today we're going to discuss about the end keyword in Python. Now, what is the use of the end keyword? See, by default, the print statement, after printing one line of output, the cursor moves to the next line, right? But with the help of the end keyword, we are able to change this pattern by introducing the particular string like space or a colon or any other type of string which you want to add and want to print the whole output in a same line. Now let's write some code on PyCharm. See, so print statement takes the values and we are able to use the end keyword in any type of string. Now here I have taken the space, okay, to print the whole output in a single line. Now let's see the output. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and space. So you are able to use any kind of string with the help of the end keyword. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.